You have Gmail, now is the time to monetize it. Or you don't like reading emails, now is the time to make money with it. I'm going to show you 3 sites you can use to make money reading emails right now that is currently trending in your phone. Before you continue, save this video because you may come back to it to access this information I am going to give you right now. There are 3 sites that you can make dollars by just reading emails from their website. The first one is the best right now. Is Guardian.com. Guardian.com is a site that pays you for reading their email. So all you need to do is to go to Guardian.com, sign up with them. Then when they send you email, you can input your bank account and you can get nothing less than $1 daily by reading their word. The second one is QuickPaidSurvey.com. With QuickPaidSurvey.com, you can make nothing less than $20 by reading their emails. To QuickPaidSurvey.com, register an account with them and sign up with them. Then when they send you email, as far as your bank account is connected with them, you get to make $2 daily by reading their words. First and best one currently is PaidToReadEmails.com. Go to this site and sign up with them. Then when they send you email, open it. As far as your account is linked with their, you will make $2 by opening and reading their works emails. So go there and sign up right now. If you're confused and you want to give you the step-by-step guide on how to fix your account, put all your credentials and make money from these sites, is to hit the plus button to follow me because it's only exclusive to my followers. Then comment in the comment section, I want to know. Hit the link in my bio right now to connect it to me if I will give you the detailed video on how to do it. See you another time and keep making money.